you want it? Don't try me, baby. What's going on, NoirGang? So, dude, before I even begin, thank you guys, because we made it to 800 subscribers. Thank you so much, NoirGang. I mean, that makes me so, who the heck is calling me right now? Who's it? Thank you guys, man, because we're making it far, bro, so it's pretty tight. I can't shoot a video if I forget my car keys. Hold on. I had a dirt moment. Can't start the car and move without the keys. Where are you going? Are you coming with me? Hey, hey, are you going with me?
Yes.
Okay, all right, where are we going? Go. All right, so I guess we're, oh, you're taking, oh wow, you're drunk, kid, you're drunk. You're taking driver's side?
Yeah.
Okay. So, I wanted to make a video after watching TJ's video talking about buying the Supra. Well, something came to mind and I thought about it. I was like, damn, you're going like straight nipple the steering wheel. You gotta push the clutch down. TJ made me think about this and I was like, what am I gonna do when the new Z comes out? Because I would, thank you. I would love to get the new Z and keep this one, but given, it's all just, of course, given the situation, but as of right now, I would have to get rid of this car. And there's certain things I thought about. So instead of just making this a regular talking video of me just walking around the camera, I'm gonna do a little point of view, kind of rip the car a little bit too. It's been a while since I've been able to have some fun. And also talk about what I'm doing with this car as well too, because I have a couple of mods that you guys will know about. Naomi, you ready? We're gonna drive?
Yeah.
All right, go. High five? Low five? Fist bump. Boom. All right, we out, baby. All right, boys, so we're on the road. You guys hear some vibrating. That is actually my, oh, why is that seat warmer on? No wonder my butt's been hot. I thought it was a diarrhea. But if you guys hear some like clanking in the background, that's actually my Y pipe slapping the W brace because it was installed and left loose. So, because we're gonna have to take that off tomorrow anyway. To be honest with you guys, I was watching TJ Hunt's video of him trying to secure a Supra, and it really just came to mind that what am I gonna do when the new Z comes out? Because I am 100% interested in it, and I love this platform so much that I'm actually super excited to see, and I'm actually waiting on the details of what the next 400 or maybe the next 420Z, whatever it may be called, is coming out. But the thing is, like, yeah, cool, specs are nice and everything, but your boy's not rich. And by the way, random update, has nothing to do with really anything, but I went ahead and purchased one of these like Bluetooth, one of these, it's wireless, a wireless charger phone window mount. But you guys, like I said, purchase and not bought. Entrepreneur. Back to the whole main point. I'm super interested in getting the new Z, whatever it's gonna be called. But the problem is that, you know, I don't have that TJ Hunt kind of money. You get me? Like, realistically, majority of us don't. So then that leads me in this space where, you know, what happens when I'm trying to go ahead and, because I do want to spec out my own Z, and that's the goal, and, you know, of course, save towards that. What happens if they tell me I can't have this car on my credit, and, you know, by the time the 400Z comes out, this one won't be paid off? There's so many things I want to do in the next coming years, which is, one, I want to secure a house. I want to pay this car off sooner than I'm supposed to. And 3, I want to get that new Z. Oh, 4, I want to get a Viper. Bro, I really want to get a Viper. Bro, to me, this car is what got me into doing YouTube. What made me, I met a lot of friends with this car, and I almost sold it once, and you guys like almost killed me. A lot of you OG subscribers will, you guys know what I'm talking about. And I'm glad I didn't. Oh, you know we're gonna rip this highway. Hold up. What the heck? Like that Hialeah honk? You like that? Whatever, man. Like, I really want that car, but I also really want to secure this one and hold this car down because I have some really fun plans for it. And I haven't even told you guys what we're doing with this car next year, or, you know, even possibly later this year. There's a really big move. It's kind of obvious when I'm talking about going supercharger or turbocharging, you know, like, then again, those plans kind of get, you know, almost at a stop. Because what happens if the 400 comes out a lot sooner than I thought and I wanted, and whatever. Point of this, I guess after ranting for this long, the whole point is, would you guys get mad if I sold this Z, but I got the newer Z? Like that, guess that's one way to put it, because I hate to only base my moves off subscribers and what you want, but realistically that's why I kept going with this channel, you know. Like 70Z, I love this car so, like I love you. I love this car so much. I don't know if you guys want to, I don't know how to put it, I just don't know how to say it. Like I want to get your input and make my moves based off what you guys like as well too, because the way I see it is I have a common interest. If I like 370Z or just Z in general, the next car is going to be a Z anyway. Does it really even matter? So I don't know. Oh my god. Oh wait, Homestead Police, baby. So you know we gotta oh, you know we're going calm, baby. You go, oh, what a nice person. You know what? Thank you, sir. You get the blinkers saying thank you. These people are like, yo, what the freak is this guy doing? Like whenever people see like that you have a camera on you, they just they look at you like you're crazy. I don't know. I wanted to get your opinions. Should I get the new 400, 420, 530, 9,000? It's over 9,000. Wow, I don't know if you guys saw that. And also another key feature, it has to have a 6-speed, man. Like I swear to on God, if the new Z is not 6-speed, boy, you know we're coming after somebody. So I'm gonna get back on the highway, why not? Even though there's a cop here, can't really do anything. He's probably like, didn't you just get off the highway, sir? What are you doing? And I'm like, I'm ripping it! I'm ripping the Z, baby. I don't know, man, I'm just hyped. I'm hyped in general. If I decide to keep this car for its entirety until it dies, I'm gonna be happy. If I get the new Z and that car is sick, I'm gonna be happy. And you know the next one's gonna be a Nismo, so I'm gonna go ahead and bite that bullet for the upgrade. You like that burp? You like that burp, huh? Embrace it. Oh look, he's waiting for me. You're waiting for me. You're gonna pull me over, huh? Let's see. Oh wow, it's not for me. Nice. Oh look, he's got his lights on. He's got his lights on. Are you pulling me over? Wow. Oh, okay, cool. It's not for me. Dude, what the hell is this thing? Oh god. NoirGang, what the fuck? Oh, you want it? Don't try me, baby. It's not my flavor. It's not at all, but you know what? That's his car. You enjoy it, sir. It says send nudes too. I don't know who's going to, for that's Honda, but but yeah, bro. Dude, the things that you see on the internet. What is going on? What is life? Oh my god. I gotta race. No, I don't think he's down. I don't know, bro. He's pretty fast. He has a giant wing, so downforce, baby. Dude, I love South Florida. It's random things like that. Just what? But yeah, man, I don't know who you are, sir, but you're super cool, and I hope I got it on camera. I want to hear your feedback. What do you guys think? Should I sell this car for the next one? Should I keep it? Should I buy a banana because I'm hungry? Or should I get a horse because I'm slow and it's probably faster than my Z? I don't know. Y'all let me know. But before I head out, you know we got to shoot some planes. Oh, whoa! Whoa! Uh-oh. I just love downshifting. Yeah, it's one of those things. It's like a guilty pleasure where it's not needed at that moment, but it just sounds so good, you know? Let's go windows down. I want people to see my greatness, all right? So, ooh. You think this Dodge wants it? You think this Dodge wants a sauce, baby? Got my driving shoes on, baby. That's bare skin, baby. You don't know about that, man. Now you know. That's some OG subscriber stuff right there, baby. Should I hit it with the launch control? Ooh. I'm not gonna do it. He's not about that life. He ain't about that life. All right, here we go, baby. Ooh. NoirGang, that is it. So I mean, thank you guys for standing by that entire talk, because I tried to make it point of view so it doesn't get too boring. But yeah, man, like that's just what's going on with the Z. That's what I might have to do in regards to the future of the 370. I would love to keep it, but I might have to sell to move on. But it all just depends on the details. But NoirGang, if you guys like this kind of content, like I always say, please hit that subscribe button, baby. It helps me justify my life and not make me feel so much like a loser, because I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. subscribers. But thank you for watching. Hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's wash this car before Tev gets here and makes fun of me.